Howdy, Paper Army. Okay, I've got the wiring harness just about completed, and it's all put in to where it should be. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take more of these little pieces that I got, like this, and I'm going to start covering this bottom section right in here. And that is all part of the build process that you have to do. But I have all the wiring in place, and it's not going to short out in any way. Everything is soldered together, and pretty much it's just ready to go. And so now we're gonna do some measuring here. Yeah, don't even have to measure, actually. All you have to do is cut and fit. That is where that goes. Yeah. Okay. And I make that just a little tiny bit bigger because I don't want it to be short. That is okay there. And there is that piece. So now we're going to cover all this up. See, this is a cool thing about building with paper, is that anything that you're doing, you are going to cover it up with more paper. And now I just have to hold that in place. That has to be done across here before you can actually go into your next step. I made sure that all the wires work and the lights work, and now it's ready to close it all in. So this hood section is getting closer to being done. Looked like it was a little out of shape. That's the nice thing. Before you put all your decking and everything into these, you can actually move them around quite a bit. All right, Paper Army. Thank you for watching. I'll be back.